Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we got here today is a 24 volt max cordless sprayer. And this takes the same Kobalt 24 volt batteries right here as the fogger that I did the review on. So it's good, you can interchange the batteries with it if you have any of the Kobalt systems here, any of their tools. This right here, it's a 2-gallon chemical sprayer. Its max spray is roughly about 20 feet, and it could do up to 36 gallons off of one 2-amp battery charge, which is pretty cool. And that's actually what this holds. It holds about 2 gallons. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside. So we have the sprayer itself, and this is actually a measuring cup, and it twists off. So if you're using a concentrate, you can go ahead and figure out what your water to chemical spray ratio is. And this actually is the top, it's the fill for the actual spray itself. And now these aren't concentrate, so we'll be able to put both these right in there. But I want to show you, this is what I used to use. I used to use this little side thing here, and it's spray and spray, but I'm hoping that this picks it up a notch, because carrying this around and trying to spray all these little spots takes forever. So this is definitely going to beef it up. So it only weighs about 6.3 pounds, and you also have a shoulder strap for it, so you can go ahead and carry that on your shoulder however you want. That way it's not as heavy just holding the thing like this. So we have our hookups here, and it's got 2 O-rings, and it's got a on-off switch here, and it also comes apart so you could separate the two. And that's where it gets sucked up through. That way you can store your chemicals in a different spot and put this inside where it won't get damaged. Has a nice cover so you don't get chemicals or water on your actual machine itself. And this is a fully charged 2-amp battery. I had taken it out and charged it up. So it comes with 2 extra O-rings, and we already have an O-ring in the wand itself and the tip. And there's your spray, and this is gonna thread onto here, just like that. There we go. So that's connected. Let's go ahead and put on our hose. Same thing, it's just gonna thread on. And this is gonna thread onto the wand here. All right, so that's connected now. Now we have our strap, which is going to go into here, just like that, and then on the back as well, just like that. And it is adjustable, so you can set it to where you want, which we're gonna have to adjust that. All right, that's a little bit better. All right, let's go ahead and fill it up. All right, so we filled this thing up and it doesn't hold 2 exact gallons. Oh, so we filled this thing up and these are actually 1.33 gallons. So that's why there's still some left in here. But yeah, spilled a little bit, that's all right. Put our cap on there. All right, so you're definitely gonna need the shoulder strap if you're gonna fill this sucker up all the way. That sucker is heavy. Yeah, I mean, you'll be able to spray non-stop, but that's a lot of weight. All right, let's go try it out. All right, so we're gonna flip the switch on. You can hear it powering up. Sucking the liquid up in there. There we go, now it's stopped. All right, let's go ahead and give it a spray. Just gotta clear the air out. And it does have an adjustable tip. All right, let's get to it. Oh, definitely much easier than the spray bottle there. All right, so this thing rips. So you got to balance the weight with how fast it can go and everything. And it is zipping right through this. I already did the entire front here. Sprayed all that. So yeah, pros. It definitely kicks out and does a good spray coverage. Definitely con right off the bat, just the weight, it's a little heavy. But I mean, you could always put less in it for what you're doing, but this thing works pretty good. Actually, really good. All right, let's finish up here. All right, so we are done spraying, and one other feature I forgot to show you is that this actually goes around here, clips right into the top here, just like that. So you can carry it around like that. But yeah, this thing works pretty good. Actually works really good. Like I said earlier, the cons is it's heavy. I mean, so you'll have to lug it around. But man, it does a large section quick. So that's definitely a plus. But all right, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description if you're looking to purchase one of these. But we're all set here. So once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.